ABS. ABS. Okay, so if you have an ABS light on your car, that's basically a light for anti-lock brake system. And if it stays on there, then there's an issue with your anti-lock brake system, which is on your wheels. Now, the ABS is meant to prevent hydroplaning on an icy road or a wet road. And so, for example, there's one on each one of your tires. And so what happens is when you're driving and you slam on the brakes or you hit water, instead of it, basically it prevents it from locking up like this, and then it'll hydroplane your vehicle. The anti-locking brake system is basically to gain traction and put more brake fluid in your tire when it needs it. So it's like this, and that prevents your car from hydroplaning. So if you have the light on initially when you start your car, and it doesn't matter what model you have, if you have a Ford, Nissan, Toyota, whatever, if it comes on briefly and then turns off, then you're okay, you're good to go. That basically shows that it's working. Now, if the light stays on, it's basically an orange light, sometimes it could be yellow or red, it means there's a problem with your anti-lock braking system. Now, don't be alarmed, it's not something that needs to be fixed immediately, but you do want to get it fixed. Now, you can probably do it by yourself, most likely, and I'll show you 3 little tips that you can do to get it fixed. First thing you want to do if you have an ABS light on is to check the tire pressure on each one of your 4 tires. So if you have one that's overinflated or one that's underinflated, that can actually mess up the ABS system, and that light will come on. And so if you get your tires all inflated to the where it should be, then you should be good to go. So on the newer vehicles, of course, you can check your tire pressure on each one, the PSI, pounds per square inch, and all of mine are 28, which is fine. It's a little bit low. The average PSI on every vehicle is usually 32 for cars, and it might be a little bit different for SUVs and trucks. You can always check that, but being that mine are all 28, then I know that that's not going to be an issue with the tire pressure. Now, for example, if one of my tires, let's say my upper right is a 32, which is where it should be, but my left one is like a 20, that can offset the ABS, and so that will mess that up. So make sure all your tires are at the right PSI. If one gets a little bit low, actually I'll link you at the end of this video to show you what to do to fix a tire. Now, next thing you want to do, then check the brake fluid. So if your brake fluid is low, and that's pretty easy to check, if your brake fluid is low, then have it filled back up. Low brake fluid will make the ABS light come on. And so just have that checked. Again, it's very simple to do. Third thing to do is to check for a bad fuse. Now, you can find your panel for your fuses. Mine on the Nissan is down here, but some will be close to the gas on the right here. Some will actually be here. But you locate the fuse panel, and you look for the one that says ABS, and check to see if that fuse is bad. You can tell if a fuse is bad when you pull it out. They're basically little colored little fuses down here that says 20 and 30. You can pull them out usually with there's like a little clip tool that you can pull them out, or you can just get like a little hair clippers to pull one out. And if it's bad, it'll be like black or brown inside the plastic. And pull that out and then replace it. You can get them on Amazon fairly cheaply for like $2. Replace it if you notice that your ABS on your chart shows that it's bad, and that will make the ABS light come on. If you've tried all that and there's nothing that you can do from there, what you want to do is definitely take it to a repair shop. And what they're going to do is they're going to raise the vehicle up, and they are going to check to make sure that with the voltage, to make sure that all of them are aligned. It's a pretty easy repair if you have to do that. But don't be alarmed if you have the light on. Usually it's just a quick fix. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.